Also tonight, slowing down drivers in school zones. The Nashville Department of Transportation is looking at adding speed cameras to school zones all around the city, but it needs Metro Council's approval to move forward. News 2's Caitlin Quisenberry explains.
Speed camera programs are effective at deterring drivers from speeding by reducing crashes overall.
NDOT's Vision Zero plan to eliminate traffic deaths includes a proposal to bring speeding cameras to school zones. The plan mirrors programs already in place in Chattanooga and Memphis, as well as one in the works in Knoxville.
Have recently selected a vendor to provide school zone, red light, and noise camera services with plans to install up to 150 cameras as part of their Vision Zero initiative.
NDOT says if Metro Council approved, Nashville's pilot program would start with 15 speed cameras in high-injury school zones, citing New York City as an example of the camera's effectiveness.
A before and after analysis between 2014 to 2020 found that speeding at fixed zone camera locations dropped 72%.
The cameras would be in addition to the posted speed limit signs for these school zones and would only be active during arrival and dismissal to deter speeding.
This would be camera enforcement. We would be partnering with PD for review, so they would have to look at the violation to see if it was, and then it would be administered through NDOT.
If someone is caught speeding in a school zone, NDOT's Vision Zero plan says fines would start with a warning and be kept at reasonable costs, with leftover funds from the citations going toward road safety projects.
The goal of the speed safety cameras, again, is to deter dangerous speeds through consistent and predictable enforcement, not to generate revenue.
But there are still hurdles that need to be cleared, including writing a proposal for Metro Council and winning the community's support.
And do you know what kind of protections will be in place for privacy of that data that's being collected?
We don't have those details yet.
NDOT says the tentative plan is to propose legislation this summer, possibly installing cameras in the fall or winter, but it's far from certain that Metro Council would approve cameras, with Council refusing to allow license plate readers over privacy concerns. In Nashville, Caitlin Quisenberry, News 2.
NDOT said in a statement, quote, "School zone speed cameras are potential tools in the traffic safety toolbox we are considering utilizing to protect our most vulnerable users as they walk, bike, drive, or use transit to and from school."